Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel at Karog765. I hope you are all doing great and enjoying the journey through classic cars with me. On this channel, we talk about legendary machines, forgotten gems, and timeless designs that shaped automotive history. If you love old-school American cars, deep engine notes, chrome details, and pure nostalgia, you are in the right place. Before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming classic car stories and voiceover videos. Your support keeps this channel alive and growing. Today we are appreciating a true symbol of 1970s American motoring, the 1974 Chevrolet Malibu Classic. This car is not just metal and rubber, it is a reflection of an era when cruising was a lifestyle and cars had personality. The Malibu Classic arrived at a time when America was changing, fuel regulations were tightening, safety rules were increasing, and yet Chevrolet managed to keep style, comfort, and road presence alive in this beautiful machine. The 1974 Chevrolet Malibu Classic belonged to the midsize segment, but its presence on the road felt much bigger. It carried a confident stance, with a long hood, wide body, and a design that clearly showed Chevrolet's focus on comfort and elegance rather than pure aggression. The front end featured a bold grille, strong horizontal lines, and neatly integrated headlights that gave the car a calm but authoritative face. From any angle, the Malibu Classic looked solid, planted, and ready to glide smoothly over long American highways. One of the most charming things about the 1974 Malibu Classic was its balance between luxury and practicality. Chevrolet designed this car for families, daily commuters, and weekend cruisers. It was not an exotic car, but it was special in its own way. The chrome accents around the body, the clean side profiles, and the tasteful badging all added to its classic appeal. This was a car you could proudly park in front of your house, drive to work, or take on a long road trip without any stress. Step inside the 1974 Chevrolet Malibu Classic, and you immediately feel the spirit of the 1970s. The interior was spacious, comfortable, and designed with driver ease in mind. Bench seats were common, allowing you to seat more passengers and enjoy the traditional American car feel. The dashboard was simple yet elegant, with clear gauges, easy-to-reach controls, and a layout that focused on comfort rather than complexity. Everything felt solid, from the steering wheel to the door panels, reminding you of a time when cars were built to last. The Malibu Classic was available in different body styles, including coupe, sedan, and wagon, which made it appealing to a wide range of buyers. The station wagon version, in particular, became very popular with families, offering generous cargo space and smooth ride quality. Whether you were carrying groceries, luggage, or kids, the Malibu Classic handled it all with grace. Under the hood, the 1974 Chevrolet Malibu Classic offered several engine options. Chevrolet understood that not every buyer wanted a big thirsty V8, especially during the fuel-conscious era of the 1970s. So, buyers could choose from inline-six engines for better fuel efficiency or V8 options for those who still wanted that classic American power and sound. The V8 engines, though detuned compared to earlier muscle car years, still delivered a smooth and confident driving experience. The sound of a Chevrolet V8 cruising down the road is something that never gets old. Driving the Malibu Classic was all about comfort. This was not a car meant for aggressive cornering or racing. It was designed to float over the road, absorb bumps, and keep passengers relaxed. The suspension was soft, the steering was light, and the overall driving feel was calm and reassuring. This made the Malibu Classic perfect for long drives, city cruising, and relaxed highway journeys. The 1974 model year was also important because it reflected the transition period in the American auto industry. Safety features were becoming more important, and the Malibu Classic included improvements such as stronger bumpers and better overall build quality to meet new regulations. These changes slightly altered the design compared to earlier models, but Chevrolet managed to keep the car visually attractive while adapting to new rules. What truly makes the 1974 Chevrolet Malibu Classic special today is the nostalgia it carries. For many people, this car reminds them of family trips, first driving lessons, or seeing their parents or grandparents behind the wheel. It represents a simpler time when driving was more about enjoyment and less about technology. No screens, no complicated systems, just a steering wheel, pedals, and the open road. In today's classic car scene, the Malibu Classic is often underrated, but true enthusiasts know its value. It may not have the fame of a Chevrolet SS or a Camaro, but it has its own loyal fan base. Restored examples look stunning, especially in original colors with period-correct wheels and interiors. Even slightly worn Malibu Classics still carry charm, telling stories through every scratch and faded trim. For collectors, the 1974 Chevrolet Malibu Classic is attractive because it is relatively affordable compared to high-end muscle cars. Parts availability is decent, maintenance is manageable, and the car is mechanically simple. This makes it a great entry point into the world of classic American cars. You can restore it, customize it, or keep it stock, and it will still turn heads wherever you go. From a design perspective, the Malibu Classic shows how Chevrolet blended elegance with everyday usability. The proportions are just right, the lines are clean, and the overall look is timeless. It does not try too hard to impress, yet it leaves a lasting impression. This is the kind of car that grows on you the more you look at it. When you see a 1974 Chevrolet Malibu Classic on the road today, it stands out not because it is flashy, but because it carries history. It reminds us of an era when cars had character and individuality. Each model year had its own identity, and the Malibu Classic proudly represented Chevrolet's vision of a comfortable, reliable, and stylish midsize car. As we appreciate this classic today, it is important to remember the role it played in American automotive culture. It served millions of families, commuters, and travelers. It was part of everyday life, yet it never felt ordinary. That is the magic of cars like the Malibu Classic. They quietly become legends through years of service and memories. If you are a fan of classic Chevrolets, or if you simply appreciate vintage American cars, the 1974 Malibu Classic deserves your respect. It may not scream performance, but it whispers elegance, comfort, and tradition. It is a reminder that not all great cars need to be loud or extreme. Some are great because they do everything right. Thank you for spending your time with me on at CarOg 765 and appreciating this beautiful classic. If you enjoyed this video and love classic car content, don't forget to like, share, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel. Your support motivates me to bring more detailed stories, rare classics, and nostalgic rides straight to you. Until next time, keep the passion for classic cars alive, keep cruising, and stay connected with at CarOg 765.